In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Inkscape. Keeping Inkscape current gives you the latest features, performance improvements, and important fixes, and the process is straightforward. Start by opening Inkscape on your desktop so we can see what version you're running. Once it's open, look to the top menu and choose Help. From there, select About Inkscape. A small window will appear with the version number displayed clearly at the top. Take a quick note of that number so you can compare it with the latest release. Next, head to the official Inkscape website in your browser and look for the most recent stable release. Stable releases are the recommended builds for everyday use. On the download page, choose the version that matches your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, so you get the correct installer for your machine. Click Download, and once the file finishes, uncompress it if needed. On Windows, you'll typically get an executable installer. On Mac OS, you'll likely have a DMG. On Linux, you might see an app image or a package for your distribution. Before proceeding, make sure you've saved your work and closed Inkscape. Now, let's remove the older version so the new one can install cleanly. On Windows, open Settings, then click Apps. Choose Installed Apps to see the full list. Scroll until you find Inkscape, click the three-dot icon next to it, and select Uninstall. Confirm any prompts that appear and let the system complete the removal. This helps prevent conflicts with files from the previous installation. Before we run the new installer, here's a quick creative tip to try once you're updated. Use the Node tool, shortcut N, to click the edges of a clipping path and reshape it, almost like adjusting a cookie cutter while the clip is still active. It's a handy way to fine-tune a clipped object without starting over. With the old version removed and your download ready, launch the latest installer you grabbed from the website. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. The defaults are usually perfect for most users, so you can accept them unless you have a specific setup in mind. When the installer finishes, open Inkscape again. To confirm everything worked, return to Help and choose About Inkscape. Compare the number at the top to the one you saw earlier. You should now see the latest stable version. That's it. You're up to date and ready to enjoy the newest improvements.